Hey y'all, it's Lisa with Hobby Time. So we're ready for another video. It's gonna be a fun make it one again. So hopefully it's not a dupe, but we've been pretty lucky with getting a little bit of everything. So let's get to it and see what we get this time. Alright guys, what's up? So, like I've said before, these are very handy to get the resin off. And let's see if I can open one of, see if we can open these today. I don't know. Can't see, a little bit off camera, but I have my, it's going to cure the resin. Still haven't got that tool I was talking about before. Because sometimes, what was I going to say? It. Sometimes these cooperate. Not always, but almost. Came off pretty easy. We'll see. So we've had a little bit of everything. We've had a pie, we've had the pancakes, the bread, the toast, a drink, which was kind of a disaster. Ah! Okay. So not so bad of coming off. Well, that was pointless. It didn't even stick to nothing. It's just stuck. My blind guys, can I not see it? Can I not? There it is. I hope you guys have been watching some of my other videos and enjoying them. Or that mayhem game I just undid. If not, go back and watch. Alright. Have a sunny day. Have no idea what's in that. Okay, it's beginnings of a table. This is our list. This is all the instructions, so if this is your first time watching or ever making one, you read it. Tells you how to make it. It's more buyer stuff. I've done enough of them now. Okay, so it might be a drink, guys. Might be a drink. We'll see. We'll see. The resin, tongs, silver and or straw, depending on what it is, and all of our shenanigans. It might be a fruit cup, because there's plenty of things it could be. The thing I have not had yet is one of these like big fatty cakes. So I've done the key lime, I've done the toast. I've not done this mug or like one of these. I've just done this one. I've done these two. So we'll put this kind of like up here and see what we have. I'm going to go ahead and pop my stand into place here. Open the tongs just in case I use them. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but I guess it's nice to have just in case. If you've done these before, which ones do you like doing, or which ones have you had turn out the best for you? Okay, so this is marshmallows. Well, that's new and super cute. Look how cute that is. I almost don't want to open that. Okay, so it's definitely different. Definitely different than what I've had, so still getting lucky with the different stuff. Another package of crumble. Cute. I have a feeling this is going to be a mess. I have just this feeling. I've got the feeling. Okay, so yay! I'm super excited. The little mason jar mug thing. I did want this one. I definitely did want this one. But I'm a little hesitant because of how bad my last drink turned out. I believe this is the one we're going to have. I'm really afraid. That's a lot of stuff. And I'm afraid it's going to just sink. And, but I'm going to have to like cure it halfway through and halfway through and halfway through and halfway through. Oh, super cute. Okay. So this is a spoon. Okay. A lot of stuff going on here. Okay. The oh so fun resin that never really comes out that nice for me. It has like a cute little lid, but I never do it like that. I end up just stabbing the top of it. Okay. So let's try to assemble, guys. I think what I'm going to do is just have these open. Is there like an easy way to open these, or do you just cut them? I think you just always have handy dandy scissors with you when you're doing stuff. Like any crafts. I mean, this is kind of like a craft. Oh, look how cute. Oh my gosh, guys. These are so cute. The package is cute. Oh, they're hard. They're not squishy. They're hard. But they're super cute. Okay. They're gonna roll all over the place. This crumble stuff, I really hope it's not crumbly. Because that... Well, I didn't even open it. I didn't cut it far down enough. I'm afraid it's gonna be like actual... Oh, wow. It's just like chopped up rubber pieces. Like if you were to take a piece of shoe. Oh my gosh, it's such a mess. But that's kind of like what it looks like. It's just rubber bits that they just shredded up to make look like graham cracker crumble. So, a mess, yay. I want to see how cute this chocolate bar is. It looks really cute in their picture. Of course, in their picture it looks super adorable. You know, all put together perfectly. Little 4-piece Hershey. Well, I can't say Hershey because I guess it's not trademarked, but it's adorable. So I guess if I do sink one like I did in my drink last time, I sank one to the bottom. There's 3. So there's that. So like, how do they have it? Looks like they have some resin, marshmallow, maybe some crumble, and then more resin, crumble, marshmallow, all the way to the top. So maybe there's not like a specific order. You just kind of build and go. I will try. I will try. I will try. Alright, hold on. Okay, like this stuff is super gooey, like caramel. It looks really good though, like it's super adorable. Okay, I will try to keep it in the frame here for you. Oh my gosh, it's so thick. Boop. Okay, gotta... I mean, it's kind of a messy, like, thing. So I'm just gonna kind of stick it to the outer edges, have some crumble in there so it's shown like that. A couple maybe marshmallows on the outsides because it's not really showing. I lost a marshmallow. Maybe I'll stick a chocolate bar in there. No, like that. Stick it in there. I know there's tongs, right? You're probably like, use the tongs, use the tongs. I know. And then I'll put more goo on top. I'm sorry, you can't see. I'm trying to like make sure it's in the camera, but I'm also trying to see what I'm doing. Did I put too much glue in the bottom? It made it look like there was enough for all of it. I'm squeezing so hard, guys. So what, just a little bit over there. I need a little bit to kind of cover a little bit. Kind of like that, I guess. I'm gonna put a whole bunch more of these in here. And this mess in there. Fill it up. A bunch of marshmallows and stuff. Like that. And like that. Some more of this stuff. Yeah. Then like maybe a touch of this, so it kind of stays. One good blob for measure. It's almost like I needed more. They gave me a ton of ingredients, but I almost need more resin. To come out. I know, I'm sorry, my head's all in y'all's screenshot here. I'm trying. Okay, I just really don't think I'm gonna get any more out of that. So I'm gonna try to get that to do it. I don't know, guys. I'm trying. See that over there? Let it sit a couple times. Kind of fight with this one a little bit more, but it's just because I'm trying to get all the resin out. I don't even know if it's fully set. I might put it in under there again, but see, I was trying to. But see, if too much on it, it would get all where you can't see. So I was trying to layer it, make it all like goopy. But I got some drizzle on the chocolate and in there, and I put the spoon back here, so it's like, see, it needs to be set again. Got your chocolate bar down there, you kind of have your mix. I mean, it kind of works, right? Like nothing's gonna fall out, but it does need to sit under here again. Like just a little bit more. Because the spoon is a little wiggly. That one's okay. I mean, it looks really cool. Like maybe I put too much resin in the bottom, but it just blopped out, and I don't know. I don't know really if it's bad or good. I haven't really decided. But so far, it's luck. I've got different stuff. It's really awesome. So tell me what you guys really think about this stuff, or how this one turned out in your opinion. Hey, I'm just happy that these stayed on top, unlike my other one. They did not. Now you can see my marshmallows. I like that. So it's like, at least it didn't turn out all like this. I was afraid it'd all just do this and you couldn't see any of it. But, I don't know. Pretty cute. Yeah, that's in there now. I had to do it twice. But, that turned out pretty cute. I love the mason jar thing. Anyway, like, subscribe, share with your friends, pass it along. I'm trying to get to 1,000, you guys. I really appreciate all you subs that are already subbed. And keep watching. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.